Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the iPad is a cellular model and the SIM or eSIM is active. This is essential because Wi-Fi-only iPads have no phone number. Once done, sign into settings with your Apple ID so system info is accessible. Make sure the device shows carrier signal bars at the top. Now open settings and go directly to cellular data or mobile data. This prepares the iPad to display the assigned number in the next step. You tap Settings, then Cellular Data or Mobile Data, and select the active plan listed under Cellular Plans or SIM. Once you open the plan details, look for a field labeled Cellular Data Number, Phone Number, or the number shown under the active plan. If that field is blank, go back to Settings right arrow General right arrow About and review the cellular data number, ICSID, and IMEI. These confirm the SIM and let the carrier link the number to your device. You finish by confirming the displayed number matches your carrier account. If it's blank or shows unknown, the reliable next step is to sign into your carrier's website or app and check the SIM/plan phone number there. Once you update or confirm on the carrier side, restart the iPad to force a refresh. Troubleshooting tip: if the number still doesn't appear, remove and reinstall the physical SIM or reprovision the eSIM. Then contact carrier support with the ICSID or IMEI ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.